Introducing Sasol's Bridge-to-Work Programme, dedicated to enhancing economic opportunities for fence-line community members. Among their impactful endeavours, we have the Handyman Services Programme, a solution addressing the pressing issue of record-high youth unemployment.
CBM Training offers a program such as skills program, learnerships, as well as short courses. The Handyman program is a 4-month customized program that covers technical areas such as your trades in plastering, bricklaying, tiling, painting, carpentry, as well as glazing. So this program is delivered over 3 phases. Your phase 1 is the theory, and then we move the learners through to the simulation, which is phase 2 of the program. And the last component or the last phase of the program is the work integrated learning, where we take the learners to a host company, purely a construction company, where the learners are going to further learn about the knowledge that they have gained through the other 2 phases.
A call was put out on social media to engage the interested learners. Just like with all successful programs, specific criteria played a pivotal role in their decision-making process.
The learners must have passed grade 10. And what we found interesting, others they've got grade 10. And in addition to that, they have some kind of construction experience. They may have worked informally, at home. That puts them at an advantageous position. And finally, we ended up with suitably qualified to be part of the program.
What was their response upon learning they had been selected, and what were the reasons behind it?
After that, I found out that I've been accepted on the program. I was happy, I was excited, I was mixed emotional, positive one. So I know that this one, it's my calling, so I have to be there. I was so very grateful. I was so very happy.
I was extremely happy because I was turned down many times. I was turned down many times and I had no hope at that time. I thought everything is just over.
I was excited because right now I'm still waiting for my construction business papers are still pending. At least I got a chance to challenge my level of experience and get more experience so that as the papers are out, so that I can tackle this well with my papers and experience.
One of the outstanding things is that they have already registered their own companies. The notion that this construction is not for women, it's false. These learners have proved that ladies can do it, and they also become outstanding performers.
I feel so very powerful because I am a woman, but I am proud of myself because I can lift a cement, I can lift with my hands and put it here. I'm proving that I can do this. Even if I'm a woman, I am here and I'm doing it.
This program would not be possible without Sasol. Now, I don't regard Sasol as my client. I regard Sasol as the partners. We are thankful that we are partnered with the company that thinks the same way that we think about making those differences.
This program doesn't just give learners essential technical skills, it also offers accredited training to help nurture those all-important soft skills. It's all about helping you grow in every way.
Skills that I've been acquired, that it's my first time to be led by your colleague. So being here, it's a good opportunity because it teaches me to respect other people and always be humble. Because when you are at the workplace, you meet up with different people and with different attitudes. So you have to calm down and listen carefully.
Sasol's unwavering commitment to catalyze positive change continues to transform and open doors of opportunity for the community.
Thank you, Sasol, for the Bridge-to-Work program.
Oh, thanks a lot, Danko. In my language, so to say, so Sasol helped me a lot, it teaches me a lot and for giving me that opportunity I'm where I am today. As I said, my baby's coming is because of Sasol. If Sasol didn't give me this opportunity, I don't think I was going to start this baby. So Sasol helped me a lot. Thank you, Sasol. Danko.
Thank you, Sasol, for the Bridge-to-Work program.